Hello and welcome to SIGGRAPH 2018. We're live from beautiful Vancouver, and I'm very happy to welcome to Post Perspective TV today, Marc Petit from Epic. Thank you for joining us, Marc.
Well, thanks for having me. It's a pleasure to see you again.
Yes. And it's Tuesday morning here in real time at the show, but you guys have already been here and been busy. Your technology was showcased in the big NVIDIA announcement last night.
Yeah, we were pretty happy. We showed the speed of light, which is really a new high watermark in terms of interactive graphics, showcasing real-time ray tracing, real-time global illumination. It's a beautiful new car from Porsche. And it's really interesting, how we can deliver in real time the cinematic experience, but then, we can interact with the model at the same level of visual fidelity. So that's quite a big achievement. The design team at Porsche was very happy because you can really judge the quality of the car, the quality of the surfaces. You really get to see it. It's your digital twin.
Wow.
So.
Okay. Yes, last night was a big, exciting night at the show. A lot of buzz about what was going on over there. So glad you guys could be a part of it. And let's talk about Unreal Engine a little bit. Virtual production.
Yep.
You guys are moving it forward. Why don't you talk about that?
Yeah, look, we have a lot of adoption in that space. I mean, virtual production, yes, but it's actually real-time production because, a lot of people produce TV shows with the engine. I was in China a few weeks ago. It's amazing the amount of people producing, linear content. They distribute it not on television over there, but on the web. But it's, animation production, like people doing 30, 40 minutes a week with the engine. And then we're getting also on the film stage with more virtual production workflow. And the big news there is we bring collaboration back to the stage, and we create this virtual working space where people can collaborate in VR or not. But then we got the creative team back together, and that's what we demonstrated at Real Time Live. It's this ability to fully create a shot, light a shot, do your camera moves, do your motion capture in one shared virtual space with a lot of people working together. But, give the creativity back to the team.
Yes, where it belongs.
Yeah,
and you're
absolutely.
giving them the tools. Well, actually, that's a good segue into my next question, which do you want to talk about Unreal Engine and how it does sort of flow into today's production, into post workflows?
Yeah, so we see a lot of content being finished. Inside Unreal Engine, we have a composer or compositing API, we have color management, and so the whole, particularly on television now, a lot of the real set people, they've built full production system based on Unreal Engine. We actually had Zero Density here at the show showing a 4K real-time system, all finished final pixels out of Unreal. In some other workflows in episodic television or in movies, we'll still export to the visual effects pipeline. And so we have this new support for USD. We have all these new capabilities so that you can take all the work, all the creative decisions made in Unreal, and then move it back to a more traditional Maya new post-production pipeline. So we're seeing both workflows happen. And what we aim at is really we want people to be able to make all the creative decisions inside of Unreal. They may finish it, make it look better outside, but our goal is make sure that that's exactly what I wanted.
Excellent. And you also announced something else recently, Unreal Studio.
Yeah, so it's an interesting adventure where
And when did you make that announcement?
It was on March 6th, 5 months ago. We announced Unreal Studio.
That's still very new in my world.
Yes, and it was a provision for the architectural world and the people doing visualization. Is that with the same amount of effort that you used to put into video, get an interactive experience, get VR. And so that's been very, very successful in the architectural space. A lot of people build those experiences with Unreal Studio. We have roughly, in 6 months, more than 90,000 people in the program. And that to tell you the kind of momentum we get, and we're seeing, the whole world of architecture now migrate over to real time and, experience their space, do one-to-one scale. Next big thing there, just like virtual production, is collaborative design. So we're using the collaboration capabilities of the platform, earlier at the design, before the CAD is built. Yes, that you visualize your space, your mass, your volumes. It's really transforming a lot of things in the architectural space as well. So.
And I know pretty much everyone who's watching is already very familiar with Unreal Engine, but you want to give us a URL in case somebody wants to get more information?
Oh, absolutely, unrealengine.com. Please go and check. We have a lot of use cases, lots of video, and we have our new learning management system that went up today.
Oh, okay.
Which is academy.unrealengine.com.
academy.unrealengine.com,
where you can get all of the training material that you would get, or if you know another game engine, you can retrain yourself.
Okay.
You get a full, content for architects, for visualization, for artists, for text, for the whole workflow. It's all up there. academy.unrealengine.com.
Okay, fantastic. Make sure to check that out. Well, Marc, I know it's a busy show for you guys, and last night was a busy night, and you've got more going on tonight. So thank you very much. We appreciate you being here. And that's us signing off from SIGGRAPH 2018.